Wow, cool. Morning guys, Larry Chen here. I am actually loading up to get ready to go to Jay Leno's garage. He invited me to be on his NBC show, Jay Leno's Garage. It's going to be an interesting segment called Stump the Car Nerd, where they actually blindfold me and make me ride in a couple cars, and I have to try to guess what cars they are. I figured I might as well bring the one car that Jay doesn't have, which is a R32 GTR. Wow, cool! Alright, here we are, Jay Leno's garage. This is my 4th time here. Last time I actually had a chance to ride with Jay in his white steam car. I was actually surprised how much power it had. It actually has a lot of torque. It's crazy, it actually caught on fire and they actually had to put the fire out, and then maybe 5 minutes after it caught on fire, we went for a ride on it, and man, that was a lot of fun. I've brought my Z here before, and this is my first time bringing the GTR here. Wow, cool. Interesting things that you see here. Alright, here we are in the garage. There's some interesting projects going on. Looks like the guys are restoring a 914 here, which is pretty cool. Last time I came here, they're restoring a brown 911 in that exact same spot. You see these tires here? They say no skid. I'll tell you right now, because it's gonna have Nissan Leaf batteries and it's gonna have a Tesla motor, this is definitely gonna skid. You can drift this thing. It's gonna have so much power. The segment is kind of interesting. Jay picks 3 cars out of his lineup. They blindfold me, and I have to feel my way around the car to try to guess what it is. I guess they're gonna let me actually touch the badges, but me even feeling the badges doesn't mean that I'll actually know what it is. So Jay's gonna give me a ride in it, and I'm gonna get to kind of feel the interior. He has so many different kind of cars that I don't even know what they're called. So it'll be very interesting if I can even get one of them right. Boss man's here. Of course, in a right-hand drive car. I showed up in a right-hand drive car also. Like, can you offer a poster? Like everyone, when they were young, they had this poster of a red Lamborghini Countach.
I was 36.
What did you say? What are we doing? There's gonna be on Jay Leno's garage.
In 3, 2, 1, action. Welcome to an episode of Stump a Car Nerd. This is where we take a noted calendars and all kinds. But you also
check out this on-the-go camera car they have here. It's this Ford Expedition. Brembo 6 pots up front with fuel wheels, flashing lights, everything. Jay's got the whole squad going.
stealing our secrets?
Always. You guys got the backseat. Oh, let's go one of these new Ronins.
So Larry just got back from his first car?
So. I wonder how long it took him.
Oh, I think he guessed it, if he's got the blindfold off.
I cheated. I felt the logo. And it wasn't the actual logo. I just felt that it was sharp. And I'm like, what else could be sharp? It's Acura.
Is that where you touched the
Yeah,
rim?
when I touched the rim, it was like, oh, that's it. Because I was thinking maybe I could recognize the wheel, you know what I mean?
You can't do that.
I know, I'm not gonna do it from now on. I'm gonna challenge myself. But then Jay's like, well, how do you know? What if the logo's flat and it's just painted on? Look at this. You really can't see anything with this on. Like, legit.
It's like a solid A cup right there.
It is so, yeah. expected. Look at this thing. So I think this is a very early model, actually. Jay was in that Super Bowl commercial.
The first Acura NSX. How about a jetpack flying squirrel suit? New York to LA, 20 minutes. Sorry, Jay.
All right, so this is actually number 3 ever. I wonder if Jerry Seinfeld got number 2.
Larry's about to do the second car. You think he's gonna guess this one?
All right, Jay.
It's a definitive no. It's definitely a no. It's not JDM. I don't even know what kind of car that is, and I'm looking at it.
I think it's the Toyota M5. I don't know.
Good luck.
We're gonna need it.
I need to see I need to feel what the rear end looks like.
I think that's just gonna confuse you more, Larry.
Oh, really? Tatra. Never heard of it.
Not even close.
Not even close.
Not even close.
It's funny because when I first got out, I was
He
like
thought those were
this.
too.
I was like this.
Skinny car.
Yeah.
I was like, what a narrow car. I was like, oh, it's an Austin Healey at first. And then I went like this. I'm like, no.
Oh wait, where's the badge?
Yeah, where's the
Where's
badge?
the badge? There's some.
And then I was thinking, oh, it could be a Citroen.
Yeah.
But
yeah.
then I was like, all right, it has suicide doors.
Yeah.
And it's 4-door. Yeah, it just threw me.
Your
for
mind
a
was
loop.
just running.
Bro,
I
we
guess.
were looking at it, and I'm like,
So it's a
huh?
Czechoslovakian car. 1939, 1938.
Yeah. Yeah, we were looking at it and we were like,
I don't even know what it is.
I don't know.
Yeah, basically.
Toyota Sienna or?
But it's a V8 rear engine. Air
Really?
cooled. Yeah. 4-speed manual.
What is it called
Pretty cool.
again? What is it called again?
Tatra. Air intake.
I mean, so you're saying it's basically a 911.
I mean, if the 911 had a V8. It's so crazy.
What year is it?
Like 1938, I think.
Wow. Oh wow. Oh wow.
Wow, cool.
Quick words before you start.
Final car. Of course, the easiest was the first one. Acura NSX.
3, 2, 1, action. All right, let's sum up where we are. After almost telepathically guessing the first one, within minutes of being in the car. Rally car would be yes, that would be please for a moment. We're gonna put Danny in the back. Waiting on service game.
That was fun.
Did you guess?
Well, I had some help from Jay in terms of hints, but I eventually did get it.
Did you say it's a Ford Falcon? You guessed it?
I'm like, oh yeah, right, Ford Falcon. No, he said it was the precursor to the Mustang, and I'm like, well, what else is there? And I was like, Ford Falcon, because Aaron Kaufman actually races a Ford Falcon. He raced one at Pikes Peak, and that was kind of like the last time I had a chance to shoot a Ford Falcon. So this is Lewis's first time here, so he's kind of like a kid in a candy store, and I love this place. This is kind of car culture heaven right here. Well, that's it. That was a fun day of filming with Jay and kind of getting to pick his brain about cars. I did get stumped, honestly. I probably would have gotten the NSX even if I didn't feel the Acura logo. But with that said, so stoked to be on this show. I hope you guys enjoy the content. make sure you guys check out the show on CNBC, Jay Leno's Garage. And that's a wrap.